Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the European Flying Squid in Heartopia. So this squid will look like this. I think it's so unique. And to catch this squid, you need to join the sea fishing first. And this squid will be spawned all times, almost all weather at the sunny rainy or rainbow like this. So just go to the fishing village over here, this one, and then just join the sea fishing event. You can just choose to join the sea fishing event 1 or 2 like this. There are 2 events and it's just same event. And in here you can just join the event when it's hosted by NPC Bill based on the event schedule. Or if you don't want to wait, you can just start the event yourself by paying 2,000 coins to the NPC. And then once you're inside the event, just start fishing like usual. And then you can also use mermaid perfume or fish attractors to improve your chances. And here's the important tip: these squid are usually marked by fish shadows with a golden sparkling effect. So just good luck to catching this squid. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!